There's nothing in this rain. There's no one in this doing the falling of it, making it drop. There's just simply rain falling innocently. There's nothing behind it, nothing in it. It's empty. That's just simply what is happening. Bodies enjoying, not enjoying, making a lot of fuss, making war, making peace, doing activities, not doing activities. It's all empty. There's no one in it doing the activities. At the same time, thinking there's a me doing the activities is equally empty. There's no one in the thinking, there's no one behind the thinking, and even that is just an innocent suggesting arising. And the liking of this suggestion, that is all empty, that is all just this, that there's nothing separated in it, underneath it, beneath it, behind it, doing it, is already just simply this expressing as words, as sounds, as ideas, beliefs, concepts, meanings. And the liking or the not liking of the words is as innocently as the liking or the not liking of the rain, just simply the directness of what is. There's no one doing the not liking of the rain. There's no one doing the not liking or the liking of these words as a separated you in the body, doing the thinking, the so-called thinking, doing the liking or the not liking. It's already just simply the directness of what is. As is the rain on a car window. It's just simply this, tumbling down innocently, finding its way down the screen, down the window. It has no needs, it has no wants, it just simply tumbles down innocently and effortlessly, as is this. These words and the liking of them are just tumbling down innocently, effortlessly. What a beauty. What a joy.